everybody. Welcome to I want to say day 8. I could be wrong. I want to say day 8 of the Junk Journal 12 Days of Chris's Junk Journal Tutorials. I don't know why I'm always laughing because I'm always like, okay, I've got all my stuff ready. And then I turn on the camera and then I'm like, oh, hold on, I didn't get my script ready. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to say. So excuse me for that. But today I'm gonna make a loaded library card, library pocket. How do you load a library card? I don't know why I said that. Loaded library pocket. So I do have this library card that I was gifted last Christmas from Miss Rhonda Winstead, Rhonda without a H. Follow her on YouTube. See some of her videos. She's awesome. But yeah, so I was gifted this and some things that she got me. So luckily this will create a template for me. So what I want to do is I want to make a library card pocket that can hold an actual library card, and I want to make it like double so it can hold two. Yeah, can you see that? So it should hold two, and I want to try to possibly make it the same way on the back so it can hold two on the front, two on the back, and then I want to load the inside. So this is one of those like, just flow with me and let's see how this works type of things. I don't exactly know what I'm doing here, so I'm just going to try to figure it out. So I'm thinking let's go ahead and just cut it to the length that it needs, or the width that it needs to be for a library card. And if we start there, that'll probably do something. My idea is I got this book, this Diamond Seller like book for the holidays, but it has really pretty paper and really pretty design. So I kind of want to cut up the book. I kind of want to back it with some tea stained or pink stained paper. Then I have this leftover stuff from my craft show that's like blush paper from like a Christmas, like pink Christmas type of a thing. So I want to take the blues of this Diamond Seller book with the pinks and create little things to go inside of this pocket, inside of this loaded library card pocket. See, I don't understand what's going on with my paper cutter. I know that that's not straight. Unless, I don't know, maybe I'm crooked. Maybe I'm crooked. I just live a crooked life and this is actually straight. This is maybe what's going on. But no, I'm just joking. Okay, so we cut it there. So I'm thinking score it there and fold it. I don't see my butter knife. Okay, so I'm just going to, this is for somebody, but it's like a pen pal. And I'm not gonna, if it turns out crazy, I'm not gonna give it to her, but I don't think it'll turn out crazy. Okay, so I just used my ruler. And I just folded it up from where the library card is. And I'll see if I can give you the measurements in a second after I kind of get an idea of where I'm going with this. Oh, hold on. Did I do this right? If I want to make two pockets? Or should I just like, oh, no, I can just fold it again and then glue and like cut, I think. Yeah. So, okay, we're almost to the point where I can actually tell you what I'm doing. Okay, so the library card is like a, all right, like a 5. I'm just rounding up. Oh, you're out of frame. I'm sorry. 5 by like 3. Hey, that's the size of my mini journal. So it's like a 5 by 3. And I cut the paper to, I think it was a little bit bigger than a 3. Yeah, so like a 3 1/4 is how wide the paper is. The paper is a full 12 inches because it's a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And then I folded it once at roughly 5 1/4, it looks like, and then folded it again at about 3 1/4. And so just in case you're a measuring person, hopefully that will help you. I'm not really, I just kind of just go based off of other things. So, okay. So what I'm going to do now is probably just glue the inside here, cut this and glue the inside here and like cut it down some way so that you can tell it's a secondary pocket. So it's like two pockets. And then what I'll do is I'll take another piece of paper and do the exact same thing, and I'll glue them back to back. So then we can load, we'll have 4 pockets to load on the front and on the back. So instead of boring you and having to do all this editing, I'm just going to do that. I think I explained pretty much what I'm going to do, and then I'll bring you back and you can pretty much see what it is that I've done. So let me do that. I'm gonna cut everything and I'm gonna glue everything so it'll be ready to actually stick stuff in when I bring you back, and then we'll kind of embellish and decide what goes inside the pockets. Okay. All right, I'll be back in a second. Okay, lovely. So I'm back, and I've got things cut and drying and glued, kind of. So I have the 2 double pockets, which will go back to back. And I guess that I could make them back to back and make a pocket in the middle, but look at the width of it. It's pretty small, and then I would still have to glue it. So I just wonder if there's anything that would be that small and thin that I could even put in there that would even be worth it for that to be a pocket. I'll think about it and we'll see. So while those are drying, let's talk about what we want to put inside. So I thought it would be fun to just take apart this book and back it with, I have some tea stain, well, not tea stain, I have some coffee stain paper, and I have some paper that's dyed pink. If you can get some real cheap little food coloring and just put that in water, put the red in water, and I mean, don't make it too red, and you get pink. So you can use food coloring if you want to dye your papers colors. So I just have these 3, but hopefully that'll be enough. So I'm going to go through and tear off what I think I could use to make just like, I don't know, I guess they'll be like journaling cards, sentiments, whatever, just little things to put in these pockets. Maybe some of them I'll make into tags. Maybe, I don't know. I just want to try to do it with this. I like trying to use stuff. I like trying to upcycle things. So that's what I'm going to try to do with this. And then I have these other papers. They're off to the side, so I don't know how much you can see. I'm kind of pulling them over. I'm going to try to use some of those to just make little decorative elements that the person that this is for could use maybe in her journal or something. So I'm going to keep rolling, and I guess I'll time lapse it. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Sorry about that. I thought I was recording. I guess I wasn't. So I went ahead and got the things from the magazine that I think I want to use. I'm going to turn off the camera and create like tags and journaling cards and just sentiments from them. As you saw, the library card couldn't fit in all the pockets, so I must have glued it over a little bit too far on some sides. So I will create something a little bit smaller than the library card for journaling cards, but I did create a pocket on the side here, so that'll allow for something large like a library card or something to go in there. And I'll probably make tags, and I cut out some of those like little diamond things, so I think that that'll be fun to decorate it. And I also have some of this like snowflake trim And I think that that'll be pretty to put on the loaded library card pocket. So I'm gonna break with you and go ahead and, you know, pretty up this thing and then come back and show you how I completed it. Okay? Bye. Hello people, so I'm back and I have my loaded library pocket here. It took me quite a while to make. I didn't realize it was going to take me that long. I think it was because I had to back everything and like kind of make all the embellishments from scratch. So let me show you what I ended up doing. I'll take everything out and then I'll put it back in. Okay, so we're breaking it down to what the library card is actually, library pocket. So we have a double pocket on both sides and then a pocket in the middle. And I edged it with this glittery washi tape. So that's like that. And then I took these sentiments and put them on these blue sentiments on some kind of like brown tan paper, holiday paper, and then backed it with pink dyed paper. So on the smaller pocket, I put 2 sentiments in the front, and in the back it says Classics and Harmony. And then on the back, you have one that says Star House and one that says Ripple Effect. So put those there. I like the font on that, so that's kind of why I chose those. And I just think that they could be put in your journaling. So they both are backed with pink paper. Then made 2 tags. One says Holiday Traditions, make the holidays beautiful, and it has this jewelry and just some baker's twine as a string backed with pink paper. So that can go in the large pocket. Then the second tag on the back, it says New Directions, and it has some hem paper and then some pink and brown holiday paper, this jewelry backed with pink paper, and baker's twine as the little ribbon. And then just a little journaling card. So that goes here. Ooh. Let me put it in the right pocket. Okay, so that goes there. Okay, yeah. And then I have another little journaling card with the altered paper clip. The paper clip, oh, it's kind of messed up. The tape kind of tore on it a little bit, but it's just a piece of paper like overlaying on the paper clip, some glitter tape on the side, a snowflake, and some hem paper. And it was holding closed this little card that says Merry Christmas, and it's just a spot to journal. So that goes in this pocket on the, I guess this is the front. That goes in that pocket. And then on this middle pocket, I have this that says Holiday Giving, and it has this little, probably coffee or hot chocolate, again backed with pink paper, and then a library card. And those go on the deep pocket in the middle. Alrighty, so yeah, so that is just like a little package of holiday themed items. This is going to go to my pen pal, or well, she's not my pen pal, but good friend, great supporter. And so I'm going to send this to her because we're exchanging like holiday, like Christmas cards. But you know, if somebody does journaling, you always want to give them extra stuff. So of course I got to give her some extra stuff. So this is going to go to her with some other things. you know, like and subscribe. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see other stuff. I do journaling pages. I make journals, and I also do videos about self-care and things that you can actually journal about. So I should be putting up a video fairly soon. Maybe it'll be after the 12 days, and it'll just be a pen pal video showing what I sent my pen pal. So I plan to get that video up fairly soon. But yeah, so that is my loaded library pocket. I hope that you guys love it. I hope you try it. I hope that you make something like this and send it off to your friends. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. All right, bye.